Hi, welcome to Nasuar channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make screenshot in Windows 10 using default program or another programs with cool features. First, to create screenshot, you can using snipping tool that bring default by Windows 10. You can open your search and then type snipping tools. You can see there, you can create screenshot using freeform snap, rectangular snap, window snap, or I will try to using full screen snap. You can add some pen in here, but with these minimalist features. Let's save this in GPG using snipping tool. This is the result using snipping tool. And number second, we can also using print screen button on our keyboard. In here, I will using on screen keyboard. You can find the print screen button on your real keyboard. In here, let's try using on-screen keyboard and click print screen in here. After click print screen, you can type Windows plus R, Windows plus R, then type MS Paint in here and click OK. You can paste on or Ctrl plus V. Then you can add some shape in here using arrow, star, or etc. And you can save the screenshot result using print screen keyboard. This is using snipping tool and this using print screen keyboard. Now I will introduce Fast captures that powerful to create screenshot or video captures. In here we can using capture active window. For example, when you open your browser Google Chrome, you can just take screenshot from this. You can see there, Voila. Or you can make capture window using this area like this. Or you can using rectangular to custom your screenshot like this. Or you can capture using freehand like this. Or you can using capture full screen. This better rather than others program because we can add more complex item in here. For example, I add mouse, and you can also block some importance. You can also have the number if you need to screenshot for tutorial. This is, I think, very useful like this. You can also draw line like this. Or like this. You can add text in here and etc. You can click OK and then you can save as using Fasten. Now you can open your result and see the best. This is using default from snipping tools. This is using print screen keyboard with MS Pen, and this is using Fasten captures. I think all it's similar, but with full features like Fasten, you can also create screen recorder. Then I think Fasten is the best. That's all tutorial how to make screenshot in Windows 10. Thanks for watching and bye bye.